When should you start preparing for the 11 plus? Do you know something? The 11 plus journey isn't about when everyone starts, it's about when your child starts and setting them up for success. The sweet spot is usually 12 to 18 months before the exam. That means year 4 or early year 5. Why? Because this gives you enough runway to build confidence without burning out. Starting too early, before year 4, can backfire. Your child might peak too soon or lose interest. But wait too long, you'll be playing catch up, and that creates unnecessary stress. Of course, every child is different, but as a general rule, I would say year 4 is where you lay the foundations, light practice, core skills, maybe a mock exam here or there to give them a feel for the real exam environment. A bit like marathon training, you start slow and you build it up. When you get to year 5, now that's when you kick it into gear. Full practice tests, regular mock exams, focused learning and regular revision. This is when your child develops the stamina and the exam confidence they're going to need. Bottom line, your child needs enough time to prepare without feeling overwhelmed. Year 4 hits that perfect balance for most children. From exam stress to success, visit exampapersplus.co.uk today. We've got you covered.